love to sing. Oh, the penguin, my mother. Why? Oh, I'll get my revenge on that Fantonio. Help me! Oh man, I'm just like that penguin from Batman. What the heck? What's in this tree? What the? Yes, the ultimate weapon to destroy Fantonio at Thanksgiving. It's become depressing out. A blue period. Yes. Yes. Yes, I've snuck this away from Tater. I must munch. Make sure Tater doesn't see me. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Hey. Tater. Was that my, chocolate s'more that my grandma gave me? There was nothing. You dirty liar. No ape on you like Michael Myers. Okay, I'm just letting you know I got apple pie. Ooh, apple pie. Back away, I'm hungry. No, it's not Thanksgiving yet. Oh, what time is it? Actually, it's almost dinner time. We gotta start calling up our friends. You're right. Since you spoiled my plot away from the open candy bar, might as well just spot. Come on, we need apple pie. Oh, okay. Right here, there. Oh, man. Alright, now let's get some mashed potatoes. He's weird. Well, better start calling my friend. I remember everything. I'll just... Hey, Wiseman, aren't you supposed to be living back in our basement? You're lucky you're letting us live with you. I know, but when the governor came, you kicked me out and I got sent back to Vietnam. Yeah, those people sure shot at me a lot. Ha ha ha. Hey! Since we don't have that many guests for Thanksgiving, yes, do you want to be the first guest? Sure, what the heck not, I'm gonna die anyway. Okay, you know the first person who gets here gets, Tater, get it? Get what? No, it's in 16! Oh, goodness gracious. Now I can get back at the Vietnams. Where are you going? Oh, I'm sorry. What the heck? It's Thanksgiving. Let's go eat now. So what do we all got? Well, you see, we got stuffing, pie, popcorn, yellow Gatorade. This is just mine. No, as those teenagers do it. Come on, crew member, you got to help me. Okay, almost there. Alright, got it. Alright. Oh, shoot, my Gavin. Okay, and yes. Now you pretty much got it. Now we're just going to be inviting some of our guests over. Alright, well, better go cook some pizzas. This is gonna be fun. Hey, Fantonio, come up here. Did another hobo sneak into my house? Oh, I'm gonna kill all those gypsies. What the devil are those? Hey, Fantonio, remember me? No, actually, I don't. Mama Penguin? Penguin, maybe. The blue penguin, you were gonna buy a monkey instead. Oh, right. Oh, yes, yeah. That was only my 3rd episode with this strange cameraman following me. Hey, I'm just here to record. I'll leave you alone, stranger. Outsider. 28 days. Ha, movies. Well, I'm gonna take my revenge. So what, you brought colorful circles with... or yellow beaks? No, this is gonna be my revenge for killing Mama Penguin. Mama Penguin? Oh, you guys and your names. Red one! Children of the grave! I recovered with Black Chihuahua, you must help me. No, wait, Black Chihuahua, no, please. No. Oh, No, Black Chihuahua, you're awake. Defend them. No, no. Now, Fantonio. We put a glue stick in your mouth, so now glue's getting all in your mouth. And now, let me sing into your ear. Birds, hold them down. Can you hear me? Well, take him away. Help me! Help me! What the devil? Get your feathers off me, you dang dirty bird! No!
No!
That one talked. I can see how that one talked. No! No!
Yeah!
No!
Party of the